Hello everyone. It's been a long time, I know. I've been away from school for 3 months and I'm back and I'm really excited about that. So in this video I'll be restoring one of my old paintings, The Roses in a Glass. I didn't actually talk much about this painting in one of my previous videos. So this painting was actually inspired by one of Claude Monet's paintings, The Vase with Flowers. I really found it fascinating and decided to make one of my own. So I'll be using wood varnish and this rustic brush of mine and I found this process actually satisfying. Pouring the varnish onto the painting and spreading it out. So I observed the brush had rough bristles, so I spin the painting side to side to get the varnish everywhere. I varnish my paintings to protect and seal them from any sort of damage, and I used wood varnish, clear wood varnish. You can use any variety of clear varnish, and this was the varnish I was able to access from a nearby hardware. So as you can observe, I decided to spin the painting in order to spread the varnish, but it's according to what you desire to use. You can decide to use a brush, but according to my case, I decided to spin it instead. I also love the clean, shiny look the varnish gives to the painting in the end. Well, this is my varnishing process and not specifically the general art varnishing process, so feel free to consider using it or not. Well, when I was away this time for school, I learned that many people tend to underestimate themselves. I had one of my classmates say, "That's great work, but too bad I can't get there. I can't do that." One thing I have to say is that even the greatest artists weren't always amazing and good at the starting point. They had to keep on building on their talent and skill in order to get where they were. So you just have to keep on building on what you have, and you never know, you'll reach a level where you produce fascinating art. And that's what I've been doing and keeping in me, that I will reach a level where I'll produce the most fascinating work in the world and be one of the renowned artists. Everyone has big dreams, and I do as well, but I've learned to take it slow, step by step, and not jump right into it. You have to build a strong foundation for it in order for it to be fun and proceed and not collapse. Well, this is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support. See you guys in my next video.
Get my mind right, but you stone